Welcome back to our 30 days IELTS challenge. Today is day 26 and this is going to be different from our previous lessons. Today you are going to experience an advanced IELTS complete mock test. This is not just a lesson. It is your opportunity to test your real IELTS preparation. So keep your notebook and pen ready. When I give you a question, pause the video, answer it yourself, and then continue. Remember, do not look at the answer before attempting the questions. आज हम सिर्फ लेसन नहीं करेंगे. आज आप एक कंप्लीट एडवांस्ड आइल्ड मॉक टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट करेंगे. इस टेस्ट में हम रीडिंग स्किल्स की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. जब मैं आपको कोई क्वेश्चन दूं तो वीडियो को पॉज करें, खुद आंसर करें और फिर वीडियो कंटिन्यू करें. आंसर पहले मत देखें, पहले अपनी एबिलिटी को टेस्ट करें. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं. लेट्स बिगिन विद IELTS रीडिंग. Whether you are taking academic or general training IELTS, one principle remain extremely important. Don't read everything slowly. Read strategically. Your basic process should be locate, prove, eliminate, and answer. First, locate the relevant part of the passage. Second, prove that the information matches the question. Third, eliminate incorrect options. Finally, choose your answer. रीडिंग में हर वर्ड को स्लोली रीड करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. आपको स्ट्रेटजिकली रीडिंग करना होगी. आपका फार्मूला ये होना चाहिए: लोकेट, प्रूव, एलिमिनेट एंड देन आंसर. पहले इंफॉर्मेशन को लोकेट करें, फिर पैसेज को में से प्रूफ ढूंढें, रॉन्ग ऑप्शन को एलिमिनेट करें और आखिर में आपको आपका आंसर मिल जाएगा.
Urban gardening has become increasingly popular in cities around the world. For many years, city residents depended almost entirely on food transported from rural areas. However, the growth of community gardens has allowed people to produce vegetables, herbs and fruit within urban neighborhoods. These gardens vary considerably in size. Some occupy large areas of unused public land, while others are created on rooftops, balconies or small pieces of private property. In addition to producing food, urban gardens can provide social benefits. Residents who previously had little contact with one another may meet regularly while maintaining shared gardens. Urban gardening can also contribute to environmental improvements. Plants may reduce the amount of rainwater entering drainage systems, while vegetation can provide habitats for insects and birds. Nevertheless, urban gardens are not a complete solution to food insecurity. Their production is generally too limited to supply an entire city's population. Despite these limitations, researchers have found that community gardens can influence people's attitudes towards food. Individuals who grow their own vegetables may become more interested in healthy eating and more aware of where their food comes from.
अब आपके पास 5 स्टेटमेंट्स हैं. हर स्टेटमेंट के लिए डिसाइड करें ट्रू, फॉल्स या नॉट गिवन. वीडियो को पॉज करें और अपने आंसर्स लिखिए. Question 1. The passage says the residents depended on food transported from rural areas. So that statement is false. The passage says residents may meet regularly while maintaining shared gardens. Therefore, true. Question number 3. The passage mentions rooftops, balconies, and private properties. Therefore, false. The passage mentions habitats for insects and birds. That's true. Question number 5. The passage specifically says urban gardens are not a complete solution. So, this is false. यहाँ एक इम्पॉर्टेंट लेसन है. क्वेश्चन में जो एग्जैक्ट वर्ड हैं पैसेज में ज़रूरी नहीं कि वही वर्ड हों। आइल्स पैराफ्रेजिंग यूज़ करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ब्रिंग पीपल टुगेदर पैसेज में बन गया रेजिडेंट में मीट रेगुलरली। इसलिए सिनोनिम्स और पैराफ्रेज को रिकॉग्नाइज करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है।
Modern workplaces increasingly require employees to learn new skills throughout their careers. Technological developments can make existing skills outdated, forcing workers to adapt to changing demands. Many organizations now provide online training because employees can access courses at convenient times. However, online learning does not automatically produce better results. Employees may struggle to remain motivated when learning independently, particularly when courses are poorly designed. Some companies have therefore introduced blended learning programs. These combine online materials with face-to-face workshops, allowing employees to study independently while also receiving direct support from trainers. Workplace learning can also benefit organizations financially. Employees who develop new skills may solve problems more efficiently and require less supervision. However, training programs need to be connected to actual workplace needs. Offering courses simply because they are popular may have little effect on employee performance.
Now pause the video and identify the paragraph. Use skimming and scanning to identify the paragraph. मैचिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन में क्वेश्चन को पहले रीड करें। क्वेश्चन के कीवर्ड अंडरलाइन करें। फिर पैसेज में एग्जैक्ट वर्ड नहीं बल्कि मीनिंग और पैराफ्रेज या सिनोनिम सर्च करें।
Sleep is increasingly recognized as an active biological process rather than simply a period of physical inactivity. During sleep, the brain continues to process information received during waking hours. Researchers have suggested that certain stages of sleep play an important role in memory consolidation. Memory consolidation refers to the process through which newly acquired information becomes more stable and easier to retrieve. Although researchers continue to debate the precise mechanisms involved, evidence suggests that insufficient sleep can interfere with learning. One explanation is that sleep provides the brain with an opportunity to reorganize information. Instead of storing every experience equally, the brain may strengthen information considered important while reducing the accessibility of less useful details. The relationship between sleep and learning is particularly important for students. Spending an entire night studying may appear productive, but sleep deprivation can reduce concentration and impair the ability to recall information. Consequently, effective learning may depend not only on study time but also on adequate recovery.
एडवांस रीडिंग में सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन फाइंड करना इनफ नहीं होता। आपको मेन आइडिया, सपोर्टिंग आइडिया और इन्फेरेंस या एविडेंस को भी आइडेंटिफाई करना होता है। और याद रखें, डोंट चूज एन आंसर बिकॉज इट कंटेन्स familiar words. Choose it because the passage proves it. For the real IELTS test, you have 60 minutes. A practice strategy is passage 1 15 to 17 minutes, passage 2 18 to 20 minutes, and passage 3 23 to 25 minutes. Passage 3 is often more challenging, so don't spend too much time on the first passages. रीडिंग के लिए टोटल 60 मिनट्स होते हैं, इसलिए एक क्वेश्चन पर अननेसेसरी टाइम वेस्ट ना करें। अगर आंसर इमीडिएटली नहीं मिल रहा, मार्क इट, मूव फॉरवर्ड और बाद में वापस आएं। Now let's check the answers of all three reading passages. Question number 1 to 13. Compare your answers with the answer key and see how well you did. If you got any wrong, don't worry. Take a moment to understand. your mistake and learn from them. If this day 26 advanced IELTS mock test helped you, subscribe to Sarah and Bonafe's Inspiration and continue with us through the final days of the 30 days IELTS challenge. Comment below day 26 complete and tell us which skill was the most difficult for you. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember your IELTS score improves when your practice becomes purposeful. See you in day 27.